guys, but I'm sorry that I haven't done a channel like about 1 or 2 weeks, 2 days. Okay. Well, to start off with the video, it rained. I know, but if y'all live in Texas, yeah, I feel bad because it rained. If you can see that puddle right there, yeah, and like, see, it rained. There's rain right there, and right there in that mud. Yeah, there's rain on the road. If you can see, I'll just zoom in. Right there. There's a van. If y'all didn't see it, guys, but it was raining like a lot. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry about that. It's just like, let me just fix it. There we go. Okay, sorry. Yeah, guys, but I'll see y'all later. It's everyday Black Gang. Peace. Sorry. It's everyday Black Wolf Gang. Peace. Wait. Guys, comment if you want our name, our gang name to be NWA, cause this is NWA, bro. Yeah, I'll see y'all later, guys. Peace.